Can AI really put programmers out of work? Well, I ask because now, even someone who can't write a single line of code can create a full-stack website using AI tools. Today I want to introduce you to one of the most interesting tools I've ever tested so far, Skywork AI Developer. It can create complete websites and applications with backend, authentication, database, and even payments. All of this just by describing what you want to build. It doesn't matter if you've never programmed before or if you're already an experienced developer. The idea here is to speed everything up. Deal? So let's get to the video. Skywork AI Developer was designed for those who want to turn ideas into real projects quickly. Even if you have no programming experience, you can still bring your ideas to life. Just write what you want, and the tool gives you a ready-made app with a modern interface, connected database, working login, and it even lets you edit everything visually. In fact, if you want to go back to a previous version, there's also version history. The focus is to eliminate repetitive work and let you focus only on the creative side. Well, after clicking the link that will be down below in the description of this video, you'll sign up on the platform, and I'll let you know in advance that there are free credits so you can test it without having to pay anything. As you can see, the interface here is very simple, intuitive, and easy to use. Down here, you have some buttons that you can choose according to the project you want to create. A document, a slide, a spreadsheet, or for example, develop a website. But if you're not sure, just leave it on general and write your prompt here. Then you'll detail what you want, and the artificial intelligence will give you the result. To start, something really simple, I'm going to ask for the following. Create a study checklist app with a minimalist design. The user should be able to add tasks, mark them as completed, and save everything in Supabase, which is that database. Include pages for today, week, and progress. Interface in dark mode. Once you've typed your prompt, just click the arrow and wait for the result. Done! In less than 5 minutes, it gave me my finished project right here. Listen up. Your question was received successfully. Skywork is organizing the ideas to provide a complete and accurate answer. Here you have all the reasoning. And here's another very important thing. Since I asked for an integration with Supabase, which is that very famous database, there's already an option here for me to do what? So that I can enter my API key and make this connection directly with Supabase. So, before anything else, you need to create an account here on Supabase. It's free, you can do it without any problem. Then you'll use your API key here inside Skywork. From there, it makes this connection via MCP with Supabase. In a completely automatic way, it keeps coding, keeps writing the code, and in the end gives me this result without me having to do absolutely anything. So, let's see if it's working. I'm going to click here on the website. Look, I have my study checklist here in dark mode, but if I click here, I automatically switch to light mode. Then I can sign up. Done, account created, and now I can start using my app. I can add a new task here. Math, study. All set. Due date. I'll choose here, 26th. Priority, I'll set it as high, and done, my task has been created automatically. Then I can select it and later mark it as done. Not done anyway, everything is working perfectly. If I want, I can even delete my task. So all this data I'm entering here goes to Supabase. Why? I did this integration right at the beginning, using my free API key. So, you can build this backend using a database like Supabase, and there are some things that are very important. Here on the control panel, you can view it in full screen. You also have the option to preview, which is what's happening here now. Or you can simply view the code that was used to create your application. So, this is essential, especially if you want to take this code to another tool. Coming back here to the preview, I can also see how my application will look on mobile devices. Clicking here lets me quickly see if it'll look good. Going back here to desktop mode, I can download this project as a zipped file, which comes directly here to my computer. And another amazing thing, by clicking here on the edit button, I get access to the visual editing mode. Pretty neat. So, if I want to change, for example, the color of this button, I just need to click. It will open this new tab here. Let's suppose I want to make the button pink now. It automatically changes here to pink. I can edit it directly with AI. By clicking here, it will open the prompt, and then I type what I want. Or I can add code. So if I need to, I come here and add this code. Or I can change the font and alignment, or increase or decrease the text size. Anyway, I can do whatever I want. And what I found most interesting is precisely that I can select all the fields, any part here in my app, and make changes visually. simply by selecting what I want to change. Another example now I want to show something a little more advanced, which is building a website with Stripe payments. Take a look at the prompt. Build a simple website to sell a single digital product. Photo preset pack priced at 39 reais. The website should have a homepage, a product page, and a purchase button using Stripe Checkout, which is that payment platform. Include a dashboard for the user to view their orders after logging in. Once that's done, we'll send the command. Done. It's already finished. It did all the reasoning here. It requested integration with Supabase because it will also use a database. And now, more than that, since I asked it to integrate with the Stripe payment platform, it also asked for my API key. So the process is basically the same. You will go to the Stripe platform, register, and enter your company information. Then you will have access to 2 API keys, one publishable and one secret. What will happen? When you're developing your application here, there will be 2 fields for you to enter each of these keys. You will paste them, and from there, the process is completely automated. Skywork will do everything for you, and you won't have to do anything at all. So, let's see if everything is working. I'm going to click here to open the site because it already deploys automatically. Look, I have here a package of presets for professional photos, the price. And here I have my photo presets, which it also added automatically. I didn't have to upload any images, so I'm going to click here to enter. It's already asking me here to register. Done. I've already logged in. Now I want to buy the preset package. Remember that I have dark mode here, but if I click here, I switch to light mode. And here I can access my order details. So let's go. I'm going to make my purchase here. I'll select this preset here, then it already shows what's included in my package. I'm going to click to buy. It will already ask me to enter my card details here. Notice that I need to register here to make this payment securely. Once that's done, just click on Pay Now. This payment will be processed here on the Stripe page. You will provide either a bank account or a PayPal account here. And automatically, whenever someone pays, you will receive that amount. So, besides creating the backend with a database like Supabase, you can also integrate it with payment platforms like Stripe. And from there, receive payments for the products you sell on the internet. And here's the thing, without typing a single line of code. Now take a look at this last example here. Create a mini app, gamified for quick learning, inspired by Duolingo, theme, basic geography. Each lesson should have multiple choice questions with a point system. Add login, a database to save the scores, and a ranking page. Once that's done, let's send the command. Done. Once again, it reasoned through it. It requested integration with Supabase here to be able to use the database, and it gave me this result here. Let's see if it's working. I'll click here on the website. Look, Gamified Geography. Learn geography in a fun and interactive way. Interactive lessons, point system, global ranking. It's asking me here to sign in. Look how cool. I have my lessons here. Let's start here with the capitals of Brazil. Start lesson. What is the capital of the state of São Paulo? Selected. Confirm the answer. Correct answer. And then I can go to the next question. Look how cool. So, a complete app with a database. Integrated login. All of this without having to type a single line of code. I just put the prompt I wanted here, integrated it with Supabase, and from there Skywork did everything else by itself. Cool, right? Skywork AI Developer is one of those tools that speeds up any workflow. It's useful for people who have never programmed, for those who are just starting out, for entrepreneurs who want to validate ideas quickly, and even for developers who want to save time by jumping straight to the creative part of the project. If you want to try it, the link is in the description and in the first pinned comment, okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.